Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class Physical Education, Unit 7, Physiology and Injury in Sports. And today we are going to learn the topic that is bone injury and joint injury. We are learned different types of sports injury in that previously we are covered. Different types of injury that we are learned soft tissue injury, which include contusion, sprain, strain, abrasion, laceration, etc. These are the types of soft tissue injury. So, today we are going to learn another types of injury, that is bone injury and joint injury. Right? Bone injury. Now, what are the bone injury? Bone injury is a serious injury and it is very painful. If bone injury is not handled properly, it may lead to permanent disability. To He is handled by an expert doctor. Right? Bones that are most commonly fractured during the practice, training and competition in sports. Fractures are located in the wrist, hand, ankle, foot and collarbone. These bones can break when too much pressure is placed on them, such as from a direct blow or bad fall. Because of this, bone are particularly vulnerable to fractures in contact sports such as football and basketball, kabaddi, etc. Right? Types of bone injury. Bone injury related to fracture. What is fracture? Fracture is a broken or cracked bone, many caused by terrible force due to accident. It is caused due to direct or indirect impact, fall, accident, etc. in different sports. Right? The first types of fracture is simple fracture. Right? Simple fractures means fracture without any wound where the bone is broken at one place is called simple fracture. Right? Means the fracture without any wound is called simple fracture. Right? Second, compound fracture. In compound fracture, the skin and muscle are damaged. Broken bone comes out through the skin by tearing it. Means compound fracture, it is also called open fracture. In this fracture, there is cut over the skin by the sharp edge or broken bone or by external object along with broken bone. Right? Generally, the broken bone comes out through the skin by tearing it. Right? Third one, communicated fracture. Means in this fracture, bone is broken and damage the internal organs, that is nerve or arteries, tissue. These fractures are common in high jump and pole vault. Right? Bone is crucial. Moreover, the dedicated organ like brain, heart, liver, kidney, nerve, blood vessel, etc. are damaged by it. These types of fracture are complicated and dangerous. Such fracture are common in high jump and pole vault. Right? Next one, green stick fracture. Commonly seen in children because these bones are soft and delicate. These bones bend and due to stress. Right? These fractures are commonly seen in children because these bones are very soft and delicate. Whenever these are any stress on the bone or it is bent. Right? Fifth one, comminuted fracture. When bone is broken into three or more pieces, it is called comminuted fracture. Such type of fracture is possible in cycle and motorcycle races. Right? Means Next one, impact fracture. When the end of a fracture bone enter into another bone, it's called impact fracture. Right? The broken bone is divided into another bone. It is called impact fracture. Right? Causes of fracture: high impact sports event, traumatic, forceful and improper movement. Third, long distance running or walking. Fourth, sudden fall on hard surface. Fifth, direct strike on heat with solid equipment. Sixth, osteoporosis. Right? Joint injury means dislocation of a joint is main injury. In fact, it is a dislocation of surface of bone. Right? The joint injury occur in the knee, ankle, wrist, shoulder and elbow. These joints can swell and suffer from inflammation and redness, making them immobile and limiting this range of motion. Dislocation of joint can occur in contact sports like football, basketball, hockey, etc. Joint injury often occur due to fall from bicycle, falling in contact sports and car accident. They can range of sprain to fracture and dislocation. Right? Types of joint injury. Joint injury related to dislocation. What is dislocation? When the bone displaces from its original position, it is called dislocation. Right? The first type is dislocation of lower jaw. It occurs when chin strike any other object forcefully. Dislocation causes in sports like boxing, contact game, where mouth is open wide. Right? The generally is occur when the chin strike to any object. It may also occur in mouth in open accessibly. Right? Second, dislocation of shoulder joint. Dislocation of shoulder joint is due to sudden jerk or fall on hard surface where end of the humerus come out from the socket. This type of dislocation can be seen in compact game. Right? Means dislocation of shoulder joint may occur due to the sudden jerk or a fall can hard surface. The end of the humerus come from the socket. Right? Third, dislocation of hip joint. Dislocation occur due to putting maximum strain where the end of humerus come out of socket. Right? Means dislocation of shoulder joint may occur due to sudden jerk or a fall can hard surface. The end of the humerus come out the socket. Fourth, dislocation of wrist. Dislocation occur due to misconcunated fall during the course of a sports or game where it need use his/her hand to break their fall. Thank you very much for listening my lecture. Have a nice day.